Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening your profile and going straight to featured photos. This puts control in your hands. Once on the featured panel, tap Add Featured and pick the album or individual photos you want displayed. Make sure to choose high-resolution images. Facebook crops differently across devices, so your visuals stay sharp. As you select, note the maximum number allowed and how the preview looks. These first choices determine your featured gallery layout and audience impression. Next, arrange and customize those images so they tell the story you want. You can drag to reorder or use move controls. Front images get the most attention, so place your strongest shot first. Once done, add concise captions and tags to boost context and discoverability, and be intentional about privacy. Set the audience to public, friends, or custom so you control exposure. Make sure each caption complements the image rather than repeats it, because variety keeps viewers engaged. Finish by tapping Save, then immediately review your profile on mobile and desktop to confirm layout consistency. If images appear oddly cropped, replace or recrop them using a 1:91, 1 or square version. Different aspect ratios behave differently on feeds. If featured doesn't show up, make sure your Facebook app is updated and your profile settings allow featured visibility. Clearing cache or logging out and in again often resolves display glitches. That single troubleshooting step fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.